Yes, hello, welcome to Shareability Uganda. My name is Kaziba Pius and I will be taking you through P4 science in this self-study lesson. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking our videos. Thank you for supporting Shareability Uganda. In our topic today, which is plant life, we shall be discussing uh, types of plants, flowering plants, non-flowering plants, examples of flowering plants, parts of a flowering plant, functions of each part, systems of a flowering plant. Without wasting time, let us go. Flowering plants. Flowering plants are plants that bear flowers and fruits. Examples of flowering plants are a maize plant. It has flowers. These hairy like things are the flowers of a maize plant. And we have beans. Beans also are flowering plants. They have flowers and they bear fruits. Next, the main parts of a flowering plant. A flowering plant has leaves, it has a stem, it has roots, and it has flowers. It bears flowers. That's why it's called a flowering plant. The structure, let us look at the structure of leaves of flowering plants and maybe non-flowering plants. We shall discuss the uses of leaves, the types of leaf, and leaf venation. The structure of leaves. A leaf has basically these are the types of a leaf of a plant. It has a tip, it has a midrib, margin, has a vein, a petiole, and a lamina. Furthermore, in other videos to come, we shall be discussing at each importance of the structure, each importance of the type of the, each importance of the part of a leaf. Right now, let us just describe its parts. Uses of leaves on a plant. Leaves help the plant to carry out photosynthesis. Let me hope you know what photosynthesis is. The leaves also help the plant to carry out transpiration and also help the plant in gaseous exchange. Those are the main importances of a leaf to a plant. And we have types of leaves. We basically have two types of leaves. We have simple leaf, a leaf with an undivided blade. And we have compound leaf, a leaf where the blade is divided, forming leaflets. We shall be looking at examples like here. A compound leaf, like we said, has a divided blade, and a simple leaf is wholly, it is not divided, like we discussed in the definition. Leaf venation. What is leaf venation? Leaf venation is basically the arrangement of veins in a leaf. Those small lines in a leaf are the ones we call veins. These small, I don't know if you can see these small, like dark green lines. We have parallel veins and we have netted veins. I don't know if you can tell the difference. These are straight, parallel lines, and then these ones are a bit crooked. They are channeled. These are the netted type of veins. Then let us see the processes that take place in leaves. We have photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy. It is a process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy. Let me hope you're picking something here. Plants use leaves to produce oxygen. They use using carbon dioxide and sunlight and water. So plants use carbon dioxide to produce oxygen, which we use. Note that, please. Then transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor, mainly from the stomata in leaves, but also through evaporation from the surfaces of leaves, flowers, and stems. It is basically a process through which plants use, plants lose excess water from them to the atmosphere in form of vapor through stomata in leaves. Let us proceed slowly. Uh, we have uh, we have types. Let us look at stems, the types of stems, functions of stems, ways how weak stems climb, others, and we shall also look at roots and describe roots furthermore. Types of stems. Based on their location with respect to the ground and the plant, there are three types of stems. We have underground stem, aerial stem, and subaerial stems. Let us see how they look. Underground stems are stems that remain at the ground level, like onions and ginger. They don't exceed the ground. Then we have aerial stems, a stem that grows horizontally above the ground. For example, we have a cactus. It is a plant with an example of aerial stem. And then we have subaerial stems. Subaerial stems are those that do not arise or do not rise above the earth or above the ground, but grow barely above it. They grow around the ground. They don't exceed so much above the ground and they are not at the ground level. So they are there, like as illustrated in the picture. Then we have functions of stems. Some stems are capable of carrying out photosynthesis as well, but not all of them. Stems help to support and hold leaves, flowers, and fruits of the plant. Stems store food for the plant and also store water. They also help to transport food from the roots to the leaves. Ways how weak stems climb others. We have tendrils, we have twining, and we have aerial roots. Let us look at roots. Describe the roots and we look at the functions of roots. Roots are the underground parts of a plant that absorb water and minerals and transport them to stems. Functions of roots. Roots help absorb water and minerals from the ground and transport them to the other parts of the plant. Roots anchor and support plants. Roots also store food for the plant. We have types of roots, and we have the best types of roots we have. We have taproot, fibrous roots, and also have adventitious roots. Let us look at them. These are the basic types of roots. We have this is a taproot, which is the primary root. We have fibrous root. They are mainly much. They are like hair, and we have the adventitious type of root, like that root of an onion. They are adventitious roots. They are also hairy but kinda small, not like the fibrous roots. We have aerial roots. Those are roots that grow basically on the stem of a plant, and we also have prop roots. Prop roots basically they grow above the ground. They are exposed. They are roots that are exposed. Please, you can make more research about the types of roots and clearly tell the difference, or you can go in the wild and try to look at the plants and describe the types of roots and really tell the difference physically without basing so much on the video. You can take some adventure outside, go look at those roots and find out which plant has which type of roots. Like an onion, go find out an onion. Does it have adventurous roots? Does it have, what kind of root exactly does it have? So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Shabit Uganda. May God bless you. I remain Kazuwa Pius.